Political heat is rising in Panaji ahead of corporation of the city of Panaji elections. BJP-backed candidates are set to file their nominations on Friday. However, party leaders have made it clear that the final list of officially backed candidates will be confirmed after the withdrawal deadline. Panaji MLA Babush Monserrat said that while nominations will be submitted on Friday, there is still room for changes.
The process is still on. The process will be finalized most probably on Friday as far as the nominations are concerned. Still, changes can take place in between nomination and the final day.
He stated that the party's final decision will be taken only after the last date of withdrawal of nominations.
No, see, there is a process the party basically follows. We have been going through this process for the past 15 days with the Honorable Chief Minister and the party president. And basically applications of the applicant has been scrutinized. Still now what is one final list will come only the day once the withdrawal comes, that will be the final list.
Goa BJP President Damodar Naik also confirmed that the selection process is still underway. He said the party will announce the final list once the withdrawal stage is completed.
लिस्ट अशें फायनल जावना. CCPच्या सगळे प्रॉस्पेक्टीव जे कॅन्डिडेट आसा जांकां इच्छा आसा तांकां सगळ्यांचे कोणाक आपोवन वडोळच्यान 1.5-2 तास तांची मिटींग करताली. हाजे फाटले 15 दीस जाली ही सगळी प्रक्रिया चालू आसा आनी ह्या सगळे 15 दिसाच्या प्रक्रियेन भितर खंय नांवां बी खंय तरी भायर वयर सकयल जाल्लीं आसा. तातूंत भितर कांय आसना. त्या पक्षाचे एक सिस्टमाचो ते सिस्टमींतल्यान सगळ्यांचे इतिहास म्हणजे सगळ्यांची वळख पळख आनी कोण कसो कितें हें सगळें घेवन ते लिस्ट आसा. लिस्ट येणाऱ्या दिसां भितर कितें
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.